I think it's great because I feel like, all around the ecosystem is thriving. Of course, there's one end, which is the economics of it and the commerce of it. I think it's great for artists, across the spectrum. There are multiple avenues and markets. Um, I think for me as a practitioner, the balance is also that there's enough avenues like the biennials and like spaces and projects that are also a little devolved from the economics of it, where art is also made for art's sake. But I think overall it's great. Yeah, like you rightly said, like with India Art Fair being one of the oldest, it's a great platform for, when I was artist in resident with India Art Fair. It definitely helped take my art and my voice and my dialogue to larger audiences, to larger markets. I think textile art today is exploding around the world. But I think a few years back that was not the case, especially for an artist like me. For a long time, a lot of shows I was slotted into was shows at Craft Museum and National Museum. So there was a lot of divide about whether is textile craft, is it contemporary art. And I really think all of these fairs and biennials and all of the ecosystem thriving, I think offers a platform for every kind of art to be showcased and even challenge some of these boundaries, what is high art, what is low art, is this craft, is this design. So I think it's great in that sense, and the more the merrier, because I feel like, art is vital to any living, breathing ecosystem. So I think it's good.